I love being an allied health professional and specifically an art therapist because I really enjoy using art materials on a regular basis, from clay to paint to using textiles to be able to help young people and children to express themselves and to communicate and to be able to get different kinds of support for their well-being.
I love being an allied health professional because I love helping people in the community.
I love being an AHP and a speech and language therapist because it allows me to do a job that I love and engage with a much wider group of people than I think I would in any other job. And it's a real privilege to get to do what I do every day.
Rydw i'n mwynhau gweithio mewn AHP achos rwy'n hoffi gweithio gyda pobl yn y cymuned a dysgu pobl i fod yn iach.
I love being an AHP, specifically a dietitian, because I love food, as I'm sure everybody else does, but actually where food fits into people's health and well-being and helping them to manage their health long-term.
I love being an AHP because of all the opportunities to work in different settings and specialise in different areas.
I love being a speech and language support worker because I love making a difference.
I love being an AHP because I love empowering people to reach their goals and give them the best quality of life they can have.
I love being an AHP support worker because every day is a different day. We have lots of fun in our job roles and we make a difference to that individual who needs it at the time of their life.
Dwi'n hoffi bod yn AHP lead on cancer achos fi gallu gweithio gyda'r professionals I gyd a helpu pobl sydd wedi cael cancer diagnosis.
I love being an AHP, specifically a clinical psychologist, because I love working with people. I love using academic knowledge and research and evidence base to put that into practice to make people's lives better.
I love being a support worker to get my clients back to their independence.
So I love being an AHP because I can work with people who need support and their families, friends and caregivers to promote awareness and to support their needs and to promote their body right.